What's up guys, it's Card Dog here, back with another video. Today I want to do a little bit of fun in Photoshop. First things first, if you haven't subscribed, go to our channel card&ms and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for more videos of vlogs and other Lightroom and Photoshop tutorials and photography tricks. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started into Photoshop. So I've got this photo right here that I took a few days ago. I'm gonna go ahead and take this photo and I'm just gonna drag it onto my desktop. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this photo and drag it to the Photoshop icon, and hopefully, there we go. So here I've got my photo that I've been wanting to work with. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this picture and I'm gonna select all of it, and I'm gonna hit Command Copy and then Command Paste. Alright, so now I've got two layers of it. I'm going to take the first layer, I'm going to go ahead and drag it over just like that. And then I'm going to take the opacity and bring it down. And look how easy that was. Boom, we've got a blur effect. So, but actually we're not done. What we want to do is we're going to make this a little bit, we're going to see this right here, that does not look good. That's like, you can tell that this has been moved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eraser tool. I'm going to turn down the flow. My flow is already turned down. Yours probably isn't. I'm going to take down the hardness, and then I'm going to make it bigger with my bracket tools. And I'm just going to give that a nice little erase, and just enough to make it so it's not harsh, but you know, you don't want to be able to notice this line over here. And then maybe a little bit on this side too. And there you go. Now, another thing that you can do is I like these photos personally when they're black and white. So if I take this and hit Command U, then I can go to my saturation and turn it all the way down, press OK, then go to my background layer, hit Command U, turn my saturation all the way down, and boom, we've got a black and white photo that looks really good with the blur effect. I like to turn up my contrast a little bit, so I'm going to hit Command M, and I'm just going to take this and make a bendy curve, make it a little bit more contrasted, hit OK, and then I'm going to do the same thing to my other layer, Command M, bring this down, bring this up, and boom, that looks pretty contrasted. The opacity, let's see, I'm gonna change. So depending on which way you want it to look like it's blurring to, if you go this way, it's gonna look like it's blurring to the right. If you go this way, it's gonna look like it's blurring to the left. I want it to look like it's blurring to the right, so I'm gonna turn it up a little bit this way, and boom, there is my blur effect. So there you go. This video was short. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, give me a subscribe, give it a like, and I will see you guys next time.